Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about a Fitbit Sense that doesn't vibrate. I'll be going over some easy fixes to try first in this step-by-step tutorial. So these are 3 easy fixes that you should try first. There are more things that you can try that are a little bit more complex and less common to need to use, but these are probably the 3 most common solutions and they're super duper easy. You can probably try all 3 of these in like less than a minute. Okay, literally. Okay, so let's get right into it. So first and foremost, the first 2 are settings that you need to look at. So when you're at your clock face here, you want to swipe to the right, and this brings you to your quick settings. Okay, now what you want to do is make sure that your do not disturb is grayed out. Do not disturb is over here in the top left corner in my Fitbit Sense. Okay, so you want to make sure that it's grayed out. If it's enabled, that might cause your vibration to stop with your Fitbit Sense. So make sure that it's disabled and grayed out, as you can see right over there. The second setting that you want to look at on the same screen, this is why it's so quick, is you want to make sure that your night mode or your sleep mode is also grayed out. If your, which is this moon right here, if your sleep mode is enabled and it's purple like that, then it might not vibrate. So you want to make sure it's disabled and grayed out just like that. Okay, so those 2 settings might cause your Fitbit, if they're on, if they're activated or enabled, I should say, they might cause your Fitbit Sense to not vibrate, okay? Now, the third thing that you want to do is you want to try and do a hard reset on the Fitbit Sense, okay? So to do a hard reset, all that you got to do is press and hold down this button for at least 10 seconds, okay? Until the Fitbit logo appears. And then you can release it, and then you've done your hard reset. It will reset it, okay? Sometimes there's just a little blip in, what's going on with the Fitbit Sense, and doing a hard reset will sort of reset that and make it rethink what's going on. Now, when you do this, when you press and hold this button down, you want to really press and hold it down. If you don't press and hold it down consistently, it's gonna think that you released it and pressed it again and it won't reset. So you really want to really press and hold that button down with a decent amount of force for at least 10 seconds until the Fitbit logo appears. Then you can release it. Now, another thing to recognize is the following, and this will help you solve your problem. The Fitbit Sense vibrates at different occasions. One of the times that it vibrates is when you press this button. So when I press this button, it's giving me a haptic feedback of vibration. If your Fitbit Sense vibrates when you press that button, but not for text messages or calls, then maybe your problem is with the notification side of things. If it doesn't vibrate at all, even when you press this button, then maybe it's a hardware problem or a software problem that deals with the entire vibration of every aspect of the watch. So you have to sort of do a little bit of troubleshooting, but those 3 things that I showed you to try first should hopefully maybe solve your problem. Let's hope. If not, then you can do a little further investigation as to when it is not vibrating. Is it never vibrating, or is it only for certain things? If it's only not vibrating for text messages, for instance, maybe it's a problem with your text message notification setting. So check your Fitbit, check your associated cell phone or tablet, whatever device you have it synced with, check that. Whatever's sending the Fitbit the text message, like whatever's transmitting that information to the Fitbit, check that out and sort of do some investigation from there. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.